Hello, everybody. It's Victoria and Brad from Good World Goods, and we have a lot of projects going on, and I just thought that I would show you one of them. I found this dresser. It was very inexpensive. It's probably 1940s, and it had no drawers in it whatsoever, but I knew I wanted it. My husband was a little suspicious, but I wanted it anyway, and I've had it for like a year. So being cooped up is a bad thing, but it's also a pretty good thing because we're getting a lot done. So Brad finally pulled the dresser out, and I'm going to show it to you, and he's going to tell you what we're doing with it and why I wanted a dresser with no drawers. So hang on. So here's the dresser. You can tell Brad already started working on it. No drawers whatsoever, but it's a cool old, that's Brad's plans. He'll tell you about it. It's a cool old dresser. I'm loving the details here. So originally I was thinking, well, we'll just, put baskets in it and it'll be a nice storage piece, maybe a bookshelf, kind of cool looking. I'm digging the legs and the details here. If you look, right? So I thought that'll make a cool piece. And then Brad took my idea. Say hello, Brad.
Hello, folks.
And he went even further with it. Brad, tell us what you're doing with this dresser.
A little in the background of the dresser, it's got an area here that we've had some sort of other smaller drawers that were behind two doors with hinges, points here and here and here and here. What we want to do with this is to make it so that it's a multi-purpose, readapted piece for the crafter, maybe as a home office, maybe for a kid's room for storage and doing their homework at. We're going to make it a fold-down desk like a secretary would be.
Clever.
Now, note right now this is a little low, but once the casters, we get new casters for it. Casters are the wheels that go on the bottom of the furniture.
Right.
We get new ones of those, and we add a decent piece of wood here, probably the same thickness as our top. So
that'll shore it up too.
It'll shore it up structurally, but it'll also raise it about 3.5 inches. So we're going to be at a 30-inch height for that desk. So it's going to be very comfortable to work at for someone. Then we're going to reuse some of the hinges from the doors, and that will be our anchor point.
That's half the character too. I mean, the old hinges and the old,
Need a little work, but certainly doable. And this is just 1/4-inch plywood here on these two spots because it's not going to be holding a lot of weight. It's going to be holding baskets. Victoria's original idea for that. We're going to have some molding that goes across there. Not this molding, but something that's more complementary to what's going on with the modillions and the other things. We'll be able to finished off nice. Able to patch up some of the missing pieces here with filler. And once it's painted and everything, no one will be the wiser that they've been worked on that way.
And actually some of that detail, anything that is noticeable would, just add character to the vintage piece.
Absolutely.
So you added a bottom here where there was none. It was hollow like this?
That's right. This is not anchored in because if we go to paint the inside of it, we want to paint all that first before we
put it together.
That's going to be
much easier. Boy, could you imagine trying to reach in there? Yeah, good idea.
And then with most of these projects, you start putting together some sort of a little sketch. I'll be adding certain measurements to that. Some I already know and have copied down. And try and figure out the proportions of the this and how it meets with the hinges and how the closure works.
And then I was wondering, are we going to do anything with these? Like make it a functional shelf for pens or glue or?
Well, part of it. I think that...
or is that just more work than we want?
No, it's fine. I think if we can get rid of about halfway down here and make that level, and we'll put another facing on this. So it looks clean. Then in the back here, you can have pigeonholes or whatever you would like for pencils, for tools, for letters, for craft items.
Will fit in there.
But it'll give you the space. Once it's set back a little bit, it won't be claustrophobic. You'll be able to still sit in right at it.
Right.
So that's our plan for this one, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Cool. So everyone, let's see if I can flip this around. So everybody, that's our plan, and we will post updates as we
progress on it. And yes, look forward to doing that.
So buy Good World Goods. Go to goodworldgoods.com. We're on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all over the place. Check out our website. We add new things on the website every day. So if you can't come into the store, don't want to come into the store, you can still shop with us. Goodworldgoods.com. It's Victoria and Brad.
Thank you, folks.
Thanks so much. Bye-bye.